Hey guys, Dr. Zohaib here, and let's talk gut health. You know that feeling you get when something's just not right? Like a low-grade stomachache that never goes away? That, my friends, could be your gut talking to you. Did you know that 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? If you're dealing with bloating, fatigue, or constant cravings, your gut might be screaming for help. But here's the good news. You can heal it naturally with the right foods. We're not talking about restrictive diets here. We're talking about delicious, easy-to-find foods that can make a world of difference. Today I'm revealing the top 5 science-backed foods that repair your gut lining, reduce inflammation, and boost digestion. Naturally. Stick around because number 3 will shock you. First up is bone broth, and let me tell you, this is not your grandma's soup. Well, maybe it is, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrients. We're talking collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine. These little guys are like the construction crew for your gut lining, patching up those cracks and strengthening those walls. And guess what? A study in clinical gastroenterology found that glutamine in bone broth can actually help repair leaky gut. Yeah, you heard that right. It helps seal the leaks. Aim for 1 cup daily, and while you can buy it pre-made, nothing beats homemade bone broth. Trust me, your gut will thank you. Next up, we're diving into the wonderful world of fermented foods. Now before you wrinkle your nose, hear me out. We're talking sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, foods that are teeming with probiotics. Think of probiotics as the good guys, the friendly bacteria that keep your gut in check. They actually crowd out the harmful microbes, the troublemakers that can lead to inflammation and discomfort. It's like maintaining a healthy balance in your gut ecosystem. Research in Cell magazine even showed that fermented foods can increase gut diversity by 30% in just 10 weeks. Start with just 1 tablespoon daily and gradually increase as you get used to it. Your gut will be thanking you. Chapter 3. Ginger, the shocking gut healer. Alright guys, get ready for this one because it's a good one. Number 3 on our list is ginger. Yes, ginger. That spicy little root that adds a kick to your stir-fries is actually a gut-healing superstar. It all comes down to gingerol, the active compound in ginger that has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol goes to work in your gut, calming things down and reducing inflammation. But that's not all. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that ginger can actually speed up stomach emptying by 25%. That means less bloating, less discomfort, and faster digestion. Easy ways to incorporate ginger: grate it into your tea, add it to your smoothies, or even chew on a small piece after meals. Chapter 4. Aloe Vera, Beyond Sunburns. Moving on to number 4, we have aloe vera. Now, most of you probably associate aloe vera with soothing sunburns. And while it's fantastic for that, it's also incredibly healing for your gut. Aloe vera has this amazing gel that coats and soothes your gut lining, reducing irritation and even promoting the healing of ulcers. It's like a protective layer for your gut. In fact, a study in Digestive Diseases and Sciences found that aloe vera can reduce IBS symptoms by a whopping 50%. That's huge. Now, when it comes to consuming aloe vera, make sure you're using pure inner leaf gel. You can find this at most health food stores. Aim for about 2 ounces daily, either added to your smoothies or mixed with water. Chapter 5. Psyllium Husk, the gut bacteria booster. And last but not least, we have Psyllium Husk. Now this one might sound a little intimidating, but I promise it's a gut healing powerhouse. Psyllium Husk is a type of soluble fiber that acts like food for the good bacteria in your gut. It helps those beneficial bacteria thrive, which in turn leads to a healthier gut overall. But here's the really cool part. A study published in the Gut Journal found that Psyllium Husk can increase butyrate production by 40%. Now butyrate is like a super fuel for your gut cells, promoting healing and reducing inflammation. The easiest way to take Psyllium Husk is to mix 1 teaspoon with water and drink it daily. It might seem a little strange at first, but trust me, your gut will thank you for it. So there you have it guys, 5 incredible foods that can help heal your gut naturally. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut, and a happy gut means a happier, healthier you. Want to take your gut health to the next level? I've created a free 7-day gut healing meal plan packed with delicious recipes that incorporate all these amazing foods and more. Download it now using the link in the description below. Your gut will thank you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more natural remedies, and drop a comment below with gut health. I'll reply with some bonus tips. And now, for your entertainment, some bloopers of me trying to say Psyllium Husk.